Your home's doors are more than just entry points. They contribute to your home's energy efficiency, security, and overall aesthetic. Over time, wear and tear or outdated designs can compromise these functions. For homeowners in Salt Lake City, where weather conditions vary dramatically from hot, dry summers to cold, snowy winters, the integrity of your doors is crucial. If you're unsure whether it's time to replace your doors, here are the top 5 signs to watch out for. Drafts and poor insulation. Salt Lake City residents know the importance of maintaining a well-insulated home to combat harsh winters and reduce energy bills. If you feel a draft near your door or notice temperature fluctuations in rooms near the entryway, it's a clear indication that your door isn't sealing properly. Drafty doors often stem from warped wood due to weather changes, worn-out weather stripping, gaps between the door and its frame. Replacing old doors with modern, energy-efficient models can help keep your home comfortable year-round and lower your utility costs. Visible damage or wear. A door that's visibly damaged not only detracts from your home's curb appeal but can also compromise security and functionality. Common issues include cracks in the wood or dents in metal doors, peeling paint or rusted hardware, swollen or warped material. Salt Lake City's fluctuating temperatures and occasional moisture can exacerbate these problems. If repairs are no longer effective or cost-efficient, a door replacement is your best option. Difficulty opening and closing a door that sticks, squeaks, or is hard to lock is more than just an annoyance. It could signal structural problems. Over time, weather changes can cause your door to expand or contract, leading to misalignment. Other culprits might include a sagging door frame, broken hinges, an outdated locking mechanism. These issues can reduce the door's lifespan and, in some cases, pose a security risk. A new door with a proper fit ensures smooth operation and peace of mind. Increased noise levels. Living in a bustling city like Salt Lake means dealing with traffic noise, neighborhood chatter, and other urban sounds. If outdoor noise seems louder than usual, your door might not be providing adequate soundproofing. Older doors, especially hollow core ones, tend to let in more noise than newer, solid core or insulated models. Replacing your door with an upgraded version featuring noise-dampening materials can restore the tranquility of your home. Outdated style. Even if your door functions adequately, its appearance might not match the style of your home or reflect modern design trends. This is particularly important if you're planning to sell your home in Salt Lake City, as first impressions matter. Contemporary door designs often feature sleek lines, energy-efficient glass panels, and advanced locking systems. Updating your door can significantly enhance your home's curb appeal and boost its resale value. Choosing the right door for your home. Once you've identified the need for a door replacement, selecting the right type of door is the next step. Here are a few tips tailored for Salt Lake City homeowners. Material matters. Choose weather-resistant materials like fiberglass or steel for durability and energy efficiency. Wood doors are beautiful but may require more maintenance. Energy efficiency. Look for doors with Energy Star ratings, especially if you want to save on heating and cooling costs. Style and security. Consider your home's architectural style and prioritize doors with modern security features, such as multi-point locking systems. Trust local experts for your door replacement. Replacing a door is a significant investment, so it's crucial to work with experienced professionals who understand Salt Lake City's unique climate and architectural styles. Whether you're looking for a simple upgrade or a complete transformation, local experts can guide you in choosing the best door for your home. By keeping an eye out for these signs, you can ensure your home stays secure, energy efficient, and beautiful. Don't let an old or inefficient door affect your comfort or safety. Upgrade today and enjoy the benefits for years to come.